Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. Nate once again with RHRSwag.com. Today we will be making some special additions to our 2021 Silverado. And what better way to start than with some trim for the pillar posts. Voila! There is our finished product, ladies and gentlemen, the Black Platinum GM licensed Putco pillar post trim. We couldn't be happier with the finished product. This gorgeous laser etched Chevy bow tie here on the front door. They actually included a rear accent here, so it's a gorgeous front to back finished product. Other things we like about it, it's all made in America, right out of Des Moines, Iowa. Limited lifetime warranty. How long out of that limited lifetime warranty will this guy stick around with you? We doubt you'll ever have to use it. This is constructed out of 304 stainless steel. So as long as you have your truck, this is sure to hang out with you. Let's say you don't necessarily have a Chevy, no worries. We do have licensed products for GMC and Ford as well. So whatever you're driving, we can definitely get something lined up for you. Check this out and more. Join us at RHRSwag.com.